Audi has been working diligently redoing its A5 and S5 lineup in the course of the most recent couple of years. The 2 entryway roadsters and 4 entryway sportback variants appeared in the US for 2017, bringing the new MLB Evo design, huge refreshed and dynamic well-being highlights, and Audi's generally commended virtual cockpit. Presently for 2018, the drop-top rendition gets its go, finishing the A5 lineup. But instead than taking Audi's statement on these enhancements, I required the breeze through my hair. A 2018 Audi A5 Cabriolet 2.0T with the Prestige bundle touched base for the week fitted with about each choice. While that expanded the cost somewhat past $65,000, the A5 demonstrated its skill at being an all-rounder, working both as an ordinary extravagance roadster and as an open top end of the week toy. All it takes is 15 seconds to bring down the best and the auto changes its air. Quite a bit of that can be credited to the multi-layer acoustic delicate best and libero measures of protection. Notwithstanding passing a semi-truck on the interstate is quieted. The new inside pushes the bar for Audi, once more. Delicate touch materials are combined well with top-of-the-line trimmings and in-dash innovation that feels bleeding edge. Hell, there's even receivers inserted into the front safety belts for bringing calls with the best down. It's this scrupulousness that makes the 2018 A5 Cabriolet so fascinating. Be that as it may, what's a jump at the chance to live with? Continue perusing to discover. The refreshed corporate grille is currently gladly shown, giving the A5 a much more present-day touch. Audi has completed a stunning activity refining the A5 for its second era. The refreshed corporate grille is presently gladly shown, giving the A5 a much more current touch. The LED headlights and daytime running lights are similarly vogue. Pleasant points of interest like the wrinkled hood lines and clearing character line over the bumpers influences the auto to look cut from a strong lump of aluminum. Adding to the upscale appearance are the discretionary 19-inch design-line wheels on my analyzer. They supplant 18-inch, 10-talked, turbine-style wheels that are far less fascinating. The two-tone 19s balance pleasantly with the floret silver metallic paint and dark delicate best. With the best stowed, the nougat brown inside proceeds with the top-notch style. The more precise outline for 2018 proceeds around back, where the taillights now have a more intentional shape, abandoning the fairly delicate and adjusted look of the past adaptation. Twin, chrome-tipped fuels coordinate the chrome badging on the storage compartment and trim work that wraps around the lower edge of the guard. Audi is fairly moderate with chrome on this cabriolet. Beside that out back, there is some silk chrome on the windshield circle and splendid chrome on the grille and along the base of the side windows. The back seats aren't intended for long separate solace of a chauffeur dignitary, but instead for those infrequent uses when the kiddos ride along. As sometime recently, the 2018 Audi A5 Cabriolet is a 2+2 convertible, which means it has space for 4 individuals. The back seats aren't intended for a long remove solace of a chauffeur dignitary, yet rather for those incidental uses when the kiddos ride along. Room back there isn't loathsome, however. It's bounty agreeable for normal measured grown-ups under 6 foot, and is impeccably agreeable for more youthful ones. My 5-year-old adored it, particularly that she could control her back temperature all alone because of the A5's tri-zone framework. Getting in and out is straightforward, as well, because of the vast discharge lever on the front seats. A rocker switch would then be able to move the seat fore and toward the back for better access. In any case, the A5 is more centered around those sitting in advance. The agreeable, 10-way control seats offer amazing solace and 4-way, control customizable lumbar help. They have 3-way warming and venting, which means they have 6 aggregate temperature settings. There's even a neck warmer for those cold evenings with the best down. Ergonomics are great, as well. A tilting and extending directing wheel makes it simple to accomplish in appropriate driving position, and memory settings enables various drivers to spare their seat and side mirror settings. It pushes the bar facilitate by consolidating top-of-the-line innovation with natural controls that aren't distinctive for being diverse, in any event generally. For quite a long time, Audi has been known for remarkable insides. The 2018 A5 Cabriolet is the same. It pushes the bar promote by consolidating top-of-the-line innovation with natural controls that aren't distinctive for being diverse, in any event generally. I had protests about the electronic shifter. It's not the most intelligent plan, particularly the area of the park catch. All things considered, it won't take proprietors long to get acclimated. The cup holders were another purpose of conflict. My 32-ounce tumbler experienced considerable difficulties fitting under the back controls. It's more regrettable on the Traveler's cup holder, as well. All things considered, they fit. Furthermore, disliked German autos are known for their remarkable cup holders. Audi is leaving it for the Americans.